2017 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, tow hitch, traction control, Bluetooth, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel drive, floor mats, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.